Hello, Odooers, and welcome back. Here at Stealthywood, we're no different than any other business. We want to make sure we always have enough stock on hand so when a customer confirms a sales order with us, we're able to follow through and deliver that order on time, every time. That's why we rely on Odoo's inventory reservation process. There are 3 reservation methods for delivery orders at Odoo: at confirmation, manually, and before scheduled date. These delivery methods control how products that are set to be delivered should be reserved, ensuring those products are reserved at the correct times. To understand the reservation process, let's hop into our Stealthywood database and see everything in action. Let's go ahead and start in the Inventory app, and let's go to the Configuration menu and select Operations Types. And let's go ahead and click on the Delivery Orders line. Here under the Reservation Method field, we can see that at confirmation is already checked. This method reserves products only when a sales order is actually confirmed and if stock is already available. To see this all in action, let's head back to the dashboard and hop into the Sales app and create a sales order. We'll start by clicking New to create a new quotation. Then let's go ahead and add our customer, which is going to be Deco Addict. And let's go ahead and add their product, which is going to be the cable management box. And let's change the quantity to 10. Okay, let's go ahead and click Confirm. And let's take a look at this little graph icon in the quantity column. When I click on the icon, it shows me the reserved availability of the product I just sold, which in this case is 10. Let's dive a little deeper into this by clicking on the View Forecast link. This takes us to the forecasted report. And on the top right, we can see that we have 20 products on hand and 10 units were taken from stock for Deco Addict's order. The reservation occurs at the confirmation of the sales order. We can also see the active sales orders in the Use By column. Right now, there's just the one that we just made, and we can also see how each order will be fulfilled in the replenishment column here on the left. I can also unreserve this product if I only have enough stock to fulfill one order and prefer to prioritize one order over another. But we have enough stock for everyone. Isn't that great? Okay, we're not done yet. Let's go ahead and go back to the sales order via the breadcrumbs, where we can see even more information about this product's availability by clicking on the Delivery Smart button here at the top. When we do so, we're taken to the delivery order that was generated when we confirmed our quotation. And in the product availability line, we can see that the product is available in green. This lets us know that we have enough of this product in stock and they've been reserved. Deco Addict will definitely get all 10 boxes. Perfect. And in the product line, let's take a look at the demand and quantity columns. Demand represents the amount ordered by the customer that we need to fulfill. And you'll notice that there are 10 boxes available and already reserved in the quantity column. Let's wrap this all up by clicking Validate. And we're all set. How easy is that, Odooers? Okay, now let's take a look at how the next reservation method works. We're back in the Inventory app. And like the first time, we're going to go to the Configuration menu and click on Operation Types, click on Delivery Orders, and under the Reservation Method field, let's select Manually. This means that we're going to manually check the availability of products in order to reserve the required quantity of those items. This option is better for smaller businesses that prefer to confirm the availability, check the delivery time, gauge the priority, and other things like that. So let's hop back to the inventory dashboard by clicking Overview at the top. And in the delivery orders card, we can see that we have 7 delivery orders in the waiting status. This is because these delivery orders are where products haven't been reserved yet or are not in stock at all. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. And in this list, I'll show you how to manually reserve products for a bunch of orders at once. Let's go ahead and check boxes next to the top 3 delivery orders. And let's go ahead and click on the Check Availability button. Now, because we had all the products for these orders in stock, clicking the Check Availability button reserves the products and moves the delivery order to the Ready status. As you can see, the delivery orders disappeared from this waiting list. No problem. We just have to remove the waiting filter from the search bar, and we'll see every order regardless of their status. To show you what manual reservation looks like on the delivery order itself, let me unreserve one of these delivery orders with a ready status. To do that, I'll click on a checkbox next to one, and I'll click unreserve at the top. And then I'll go ahead and click into the particular delivery order. And in the product availability field, we can see that the text is yellow. And down in the product line, we can see that the number in the quantity column does not match the demand column. To manually reserve this product for our order, let's go ahead and click check availability. And we can see that all the units of the product are reserved in the quantity column now. Alrighty, now we're done with manual reservation. Now let's take a look at the last reservation method, which is before scheduled date. So you already know the drill, Odooers. We're in our inventory app, and let's head to the configuration menu, select operations types, and delivery orders. And let's go ahead and change the reservation method to before scheduled date. When we do that, a new line will pop up below reading reserve before scheduled date. Whatever we choose for this will be the maximum number of days before a scheduled delivery date that products should be reserved. This helps you efficiently plan deliveries and ensure that products are always available for delivery when they should be. Let's go ahead and make sure the number of days before is set to 2. Now it should be 0 by default, but we've already used this feature before, so it saved that number for me. I can also change the number of days before when starred. I'd only do this if there were certain transfers I wanted to prioritize or needed to work on over others, but we're not going to touch this for now. Before we create a new quotation with this reservation method, we're going to add one more step to the setup, which is adding a customer lead time to our product. To do that, let's go to the products menu and click on products. Then let's go to our trusty dusty cable management box, and we'll click into the inventory tab where we can look at our customer lead time. And let's go ahead and change it to 5 days. Doing this sets the delivery date to 5 days after the order creation date. Alrighty, now let's put all of this to the test. So let's go back to the dashboard and go into the sales app. And let's click new and add our customer, which is going to be Deco Addict again. And for our product, we'll do the cable management box, and we'll also set the quantity to 10. Awesome. Let's go ahead and confirm this. Now let's click on the forecast graph icon once more. We can see that our product is available in stock, but 0 units have been reserved. We'll also want to pay attention to this order date, which is when the delivery order was confirmed. Now let's go ahead and click on the Delivery Smart button. There are a few things to point out on the delivery page. First, we can see that the order is currently in waiting. Second, in the product availability field, we'll see that the available text is in yellow. If we pay attention to the scheduled date just above it, we can see why. The scheduled date is 5 days from today. This is because our customer lead time that was set automatically has scheduled the delivery date for 5 days from now. And since we don't reserve products until 2 days before their delivery date, that's why nothing's been reserved as of yet. However, in this case, the products we have to deliver are actually available right now. So we can override the reservation here and manually reserve the products again. Otherwise, Odoo will automatically reserve the quantities 2 days before the delivery date. So let's go ahead and click on check availability on the top left to reserve the products, and let's hit validate. And there you go. Yep, and that's it for this video. Today we learned about the reservation process, its different delivery methods, and when it's best to use them. To learn more, check out our other awesome tutorials on Odoo Inventory. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.